So there was no bungee in this model, and it was not possible for anybody who is not above 6 feet and not able to do and balance a lot of stuff. Although we have, look at that, there are so many holes or so many holes to grab, but still it was not possible for anybody below 6 to pack this tent. So we purchased this bungee cord and we installed it like this, thinking that it will pull these sides in, because when tents come down, so this is what stands out, and it is not an easy job to slide these things in. Yeah, like that. So we are trying to see if this can minimize the effort. So let's see. So I will come back after this. So even after getting a pull from bungee, so you can see this much is out, and you have to do all that thing in. It is more accessible and easy to do from this end, but you see here the fabric comes in between. So what you have to do is you will again pull it up, and then yeah. So this is where the fabric gets damaged. Here. Yeah. So this still remains in between that crease. Here we go to look at this side. You can see this. Now how to, there is no approach, there is no hand approach, easy hand approach. So you have to climb up. Somebody has to climb, and if you are young or have issues with fitness, you can't climb up through standing on tires, or you need a ladder to do that. You are a little bit exposed to get off balance and fell down. So I will try to see if I'm 6'2", I will try to do that from other side. If I can manage to do this. I don't like this, because even if I manage to put it inside, again, you see, it's not approachable easily. It's not approachable. It is still out. This is why I say this company needs a lot of improvement to be done.